And it's round one.
After so long, back at round one.
Yeah, we are back. VR Asia Raw Thrills. A new slushy rush. We're going to have to try to play that later.
Yep.
Man. Gintama? We've got free Gintama keychain. I'm probably butchering it, and they're going to let me know in the comments down below. They'll type it out and tell me I'm saying it wrong. If you realize how funny that is, comment below, because it's really funny when somebody types something out. Because believe it or not, when you type something and I read it, I don't get the enunciation that you think I'm going to.
They say they need to do it like the dictionary to set it up.
Rabbids.
Ooh, that's a big tower.
Wow, 3 of them. Triple tower. Ready for the payout. Oh, he says, oh, Mario Kart. 5DXT.
Maximum 2.
Sounds like if you go to the doctor and get a penicillin shot for it. What? Asphalt. Oh, Tomb Raider hidden over there. Bullet alley over here. We are in Middletown? Something like that.
That's where you can get that passport thing that they keep talking about in all these games.
Oh, yeah, where you go, you get yourself a passport. Then you can keep your credits and your skill levels. And
That's cool.
SpongeBob pusher game.
What in the blue do we have in the corner?
You're looking at SpongeBob or you're looking at Godzilla?
Godzilla.
Godzilla.
A kaiju drop game.
Man, get the feeling I'm going to lose some money playing that later.
Yep. Same thing for Popeye.
Oh, Popeye the Sailor Man is over there too. Hang on. We will show you Popeye is also in the house. Man, that's pretty cool too. So that has a drop thing too, right? It looks like drop out of the center. Yeah, and then you got Castlevania, Avengers, got more pushers, got SpongeBob VR, Nitro Trucks.
That's awesome.
So it's a good time.
Got the Maverick game, Top Gun.
Maverick, Top Gun, and Godzilla VR.
We got 2D Samurai Spirits Fighter.
Ooh. Street Fighter Arcade. Over here you got, well, you gotta have it every round one. Claw machines. Not only claw machines, but mini claw machines. Like a real claw machine, but mini. So if you can't handle a full-size prize, you can get a mini prize.
Here's the thing. This setup, when I'm like 5'6" or something like that, so I can own it. This is shorter than me.
Yeah, it's a mini machine. And we got full-size machines. And then you got Zombie Pusher or Snatcher. Zombie Snatcher. Oh, we got Ticket Dome, Crazy Chicken.
Then they got, like you're saying, they got these like weird topple machines and belt-fed machines.
Oh, yeah, I guess so. We got
Belt-fed machines, I think. Well,
yeah, I don't remember a belt fed machine. Comment below, how long have you been here?
because I remember the claws, and then I saw the one where it was like a single claw to flip a ledge or something.
Well, I bet they make a killing off these suckers though.
Yeah.
All them enthusiasts.
Yep.
Man, look at this. And if you want to get your anime on, I think you know where you're going. To round one. Oh my. Why'd you gotta be almost naked though? We're just blowing up. What's up with that?
Well, all of the anime things like, is their culture. You wouldn't get it.
No, I'm not gonna comment on it. 'Cause I don't want to get demonetized.
That's fair.
Oh, look at all. Oh my god. I could probably make a whole video just all the pictures of anime figurines and try to get 2 million views.
Probably.
I might be back.
We'll be back. Sure. Again. I remember these ones where it's like you go push it off this tiny stand.
Yeah.
Remember I won a lot of those out one time around Christmas.
Yeah, and he gave them all away like Santa Claus. Carnival Wheel of Fortune.
Toilet toss.
That's a crappy game.
I knew that pun was coming.
That game's kind of poopy.
You should just throw crap at it.
Space Warp.
Say goats and ropes.
Almost thought I heard my phone ringing. Another weird game.
Bunch of music games.
Oh, music game. Straight from Japan. A lot of these in Erie, Pennsylvania have that label on too. Straight from Japan.
Yep.
Oh, you can hear this anime character dancing. Like she's raving at the nightclub or something.
Well, that's another weird game. It's like a spin and aim and push for a button.
Yeah, look at that. Huh.
So push the button, win the prize, I guess it is.
That's interesting. The sound vortex.
Then you go a little further right, they got guitars and turntables.
Yeah, we got everything. You got your drums, you got your guitars, you got your bongos. Get your bongo on.
Some sort of like controversial game.
Contra, First Edition. Wow, I get a feeling we're going to be playing that. I don't see that. New Arrival. It's this one right there.
Yeah.
You got to take my word for it. Football pusher. What should I call it? Hockey, air hockey. Oh, you see how this one's curved? That's interesting how that's curved. Then you got the sports, the pitching game, the basketball games, the tic-tac-toe game, tightrope, crossy birds. So they got pretty well-rounded. When I first walked in, I thought this place was like half its size. I was like, oh man. Oh, big sea fishing? Man, I don't think you've done that before, have you?
No.
There's something kind of like this at the other competitors, but
Yeah, it's like almost like a kiddies version. Where
I don't think it's like, and I don't think it's got all the other things. Do you?
No.
Well, that's good. I should have left my jacket in the stupid car. I'm already sweating. That was ridiculous.
There's one quick challenge to our watchers. When we first started coming to Round 1, they had a game called Gunslinger Stratos. But it's like they've all disappeared. Does anyone know if there's one still out there?
And give us a Round 1 location.
Yep.
The city, the state. Because he used to play that all the time, and now it's gone. They have this half-naked cowgirl.
That wasn't why I played it.
Oh, all right.
But if you're one of our old watchers, you probably remember it.
Yeah, because he played it all the time.
Yep. It was fun. I couldn't understand it, but it was fun. Wait, you're shaking your head like who's the guy from The Shine? Yeah, that face. So I don't have to tell you who it is. Thank you.
Well, this is Round 1 in Middletown, Middletown, New York. Middleton. I don't know, I just drove here. Golos have brought me.
Yeah, that's pretty much how it worked.
Because I'm working nearby. 2 hours away.
But it's roughly in the same direction.
Yeah. Tomato. Anyways, you're epic, we're epic, we're all epic. Comment below. Have you seen Gun Straddles 3?
Maybe.
5?
Yeah, I can't remember.
But naked cowboy game. Cowgirl.
Really? That's how you can try and sell it?
Peace.